Whether reality or perception, an experience you've had directly or just one you've heard about, many do not see downtown Duluth as attractive, clean, or safe enough. Downtowns are the heart of the community and we must do better. We need people living downtown to help ease our housing inventory crisis. We also need individuals dealing with mental health issues who currently have no place to go to have safe and clean opportunities for long-term care. Jail and ER beds are just not the solution. Neither are effective or affordable. And what's the result? Tent encampments and living on the streets. So what practical, tangible action steps can the next mayor and administration take? Let's start with downtown residential. Nationally, post-pandemic, we have 50% excess downtown commercial space. That means we have 50% more opportunity for downtown residential housing. Now, to get downtown urban housing, we need to address zoning and inspection issues. They currently make it difficult for commercial, retail, and residential to exist within the same structure. That will help us address the significant number of existing single-family homes being taken up by solo individuals or couples who, one, do not want to rent, and two, cannot find another lifestyle housing option. And downtown residential gets us downtown coffee shops and bookstores and grocery and restaurants. And it also gets us more eyes on things. But again, to get people returning downtown, we need downtown to be attractive, clean, and safe. In the short term, let's start by implementing a public awareness campaign, including signs and ads that encourage well-intended donations to organizations and discourage giving to panhandlers. This was begun several years ago and for some reason shelved. Let's request the council take action on ordinances that align with the Supreme Court decision, yet also ensure individual and public safety. Panhandling is free speech, but time and location can be regulated. We must also support our police in enforcing laws and ordinances. Panhandling may not be a crime, but vandalism, graffiti, public intoxication, urination, defecation, assault, battery, these things still are. Collectively, we have also accepted a new norm over the past couple of years, and that's not helping. When we choose to live in community, we choose community norms, and these norms need to be enforced not just by our law keepers, but they also cannot be ignored by us as residents. So we must continue close coordination with our local organizations that provide crisis supportive services as well. Longer term, if we were to go back in time, we would not have dismantled the state regional treatment system in order for community-based care. That's left a deficit of long-term care resources and a drastic shortage of mental health beds throughout Minnesota. A legislative priority next year needs to be working with the state for an investment and a significant increase in regional mental health facilities and beds. Locally, we also need to focus on supportive housing options like the San Marco. This has been incredibly effective for those struggling with alcoholism. Supported care for those who can't kick their addiction, and recovery options for those who are able to try. This can be a city, county, state partnership, and a model that we work on while the state works on rebuilding the regional treatment system here in Minnesota. Thank you so much, Duluth, for being with us on this journey. We are so close to the finish line. These 5 big issues are all issues that you have shared with us as we've gone, and there are practical, tangible steps that we can take when we become the new mayor and administration. Thank you.